nails done.
One of the main reasons, especially for the larger OEMs, is that our entire system is UL listed, including the battery. When you're dealing with this much power, safety is a big concern. And so even our power cable is proprietary. It does not allow you to reverse the polarity. It keeps the connections very tight. All the BMS communication is in that one cable. Another reason why we're a popular choice is because of our plug-and-play design. These motors are dimensionally 100% compatible with almost all of the small gas engines in this power range. So shaft height, shaft mounting, the bottom mount, and the external dimensions do not exceed that of a gas engine. So in 15 minutes, you can go from a gas-powered piece of equipment to an electric one. Noise is another big reason why OEMs are choosing this system. I'll turn it on for you here. Right now it's at 600 RPMs. I have the ability to go from 600 to 3600. I'll turn it up for you a little bit. And you can see that that's a big difference from what a gas engine sounds like. And so what this means for an operator is that they can be out at 6 o'clock in the morning or 8 o'clock in the evening and they don't have to worry about noise ordinances. These motors are also very smart. And so, for example, this one here we have set up for soft wash. It has a pressure switch on it, so it's on demand. Every time you pull the trigger, the motor starts, you let go, the motor stops. You're not using any battery power at that time. It also has soft start, so it'll take 2 seconds to go from 600 to 3600 RPMs in order not to have an inrush current where it starts wearing down the battery unnecessarily. And then over here, we hook it up to this lawn care sprayer, and now it's programmed a little bit differently. With this sprayer, we have a flow switch on here, so the motor knows when you have the trigger pulled and when you let it go. When you let it go, it will automatically drop to 1500 RPMs, just enough to keep that tank agitated. That way we're maximizing the life of the battery. And if you take a look here, what we did is we took the control panel from the top of the motor, installed our remote kit, so we can mount the controls right to the front of the sprayer here. So now this would be curbside, and the operator has easy access to all of his motor controls as well as all of his valves and gauges. It's kind of a difficult question to answer because it depends on the load that's being put on the motor. And with the intelligence of this system, we can do a lot of different things to maximize the life of the battery depending on the application that it's in. Again, with this system, what we're doing is we're lowering the RPMs automatically when they let go of the trigger, and that is extending the runtime of the battery. You never know what the runtime is going to be until you apply actual real-world conditions. I kind of have a rule that I don't like to sell somebody a second battery unless they've gone out for a full day and tested what they exactly need. Because most people will overestimate how long they're on a trigger or how long they're using their blower. Engines just keep running and running, but these motors will turn on and off according to what you actually need.